Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 1 AMD Ryzen 3250U 15.6 39.62 cm FHD thin and light laptop. Product information: light but full of might. Coming in at just 1.6 kilograms, the IdeaPad Slim 1 packs performance in its thin and compact 17.9 mm chassis. Enrich your audio experience. An unforgettable listening experience awaits you with robust and rich Dolby audio speakers. Listen anywhere and be immersed. immersed. Larger than life. Make the most out of your screen time with a 15 display which offers up to 87% active area ratio with a 4-sided narrow bezel and full HD on select models. Productivity without limits. Productivity without limits. Do your work on the go with a battery life of up to 10 hours. Extend your convenience with rapid charge technology for an additional 2 hours of usage with a 15-minute charge. Max out your efficiency. Windows 11 has easy-to-use tools that can help you optimize your screen space and maximize your productivity. Your favorite photos. The world news. Today's to-do list and tomorrow's weather. Widgets help you find content that matters to you. It's all things you always a swipe away. PowerPoint, Microsoft Edge, Microsoft Teams, the apps * you need work seamlessly with new multitasking tools like Snap Layouts, desktops, and a new more intuitive redocking experience. Discover your next favorite game. Get access to high-quality PC games with your new IdeaPad 1 and 1 month of Game Pass. With new games added all the time, there is always something new to play. * active subscription required, continues until cancelled, game catalog varies over time. Requires Windows 11 and an app to play PC games, see details at Xbox website. Alexa built-in. With Alexa on your PC you can simplify your life and use your voice to get more done. With Alexa Show Mode, you can use your PC as a full-screen interactive experience that lets you talk to Alexa from across the room. Stay organized with shopping lists, to-do lists and reminders. Watch the news, listen to music, control your smart home from the comfort of your couch, and more. For more information, description link. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe.